In the hierarchy of Lookism, James Lee is not just a fighter. He is an anomaly. He is the peak of the first generation because he possesses the ultimate counter to durability: speed. But we aren't talking about the kind of speed where you run a fast 100-meter dash. We are talking about combat velocity. This is the ability to strike, vanish, and strike again before the opponent's brain can even process the first hit. This is the invisible attack. To master speed like James Lee, you have to stop thinking about muscles and start thinking about physics and neurology. You have to rebuild your body into a loaded spring and your mind into a metronome. This is the speed mastery blueprint. The first secret to James Lee's dominance is the geometry of invisibility. In the webtoon, the invisible attack is described as hitting the blind spot. This is a real concept called angle management. The science human vision is binocular. We see well in front of us, but our peripheral vision blurs at the edges. There is a specific angle, roughly 45 degrees past the shoulder line, where you disappear from the opponent's direct line of sight. The application: James Lee doesn't charge in a straight line, he moves diagonally. He steps outside the opponent's lead foot. By the time they turn their head to track him, his kick has already landed. You must train to be a matador, constantly circling to the weak side. But knowing where to move is useless if you can't get there instantly. This brings us to the elastic hardware. Most people train their legs to be like hydraulic pistons, slow and heavy squats. Leg press: James Lee trains his legs to be like springs. This is the science. You need to maximize the stretch shortening cycle, SSC. This is the ability of your tendons to store and release elastic energy. The drill: you need depth jumps. Step off a box, hit the ground, and immediately explode upward. You are teaching your nervous system to minimize ground contact time. You are training your feet to treat the floor like hot lava. Next, we look at the software of the peak. James Lee's style is a hybrid of capoeira and taekwondo. The reason his kicks are so fast is not just muscle, it is dynamic flexibility. The problem: if you have tight hips, your muscles have to fight against your own stiffness to throw a high kick. It's like driving a Ferrari with the handbrake on. The solution: James Lee has zero internal resistance. His hips are open. To achieve this, you need to master the chamber. Practice lifting your knee to your chest and holding it. From this single position, you should be able to fire a side kick, a roundhouse, or a hook kick without telegraphing. The lack of wind-up makes the attack unreadable. Finally, you must master temporal distortion rhythm. This is the most advanced concept. The most fighters operate on a 1-to-1 to beat. It is predictable. James Lee uses syncopation. The concept: he doesn't hit on the beat, he hits on the half beat. He lulls the opponent into a rhythm and then breaks it. The trigger: he waits for the blink or the inhale. Humans are slowest when they are blinking or taking a breath. James Lee observes these microtells and launches his attack exactly when the opponent is rebooting their system. To become the peak, you must shed the weight of traditional training. You don't need to be the strongest. You don't need to be the toughest. You need to be the fastest. You strip away the tension, you loosen the hips, and you train your nervous system to fire like a lightning bolt. When you move faster than their eyes can follow, you don't need to block because you simply aren't there.